Right, so what I'm looking to do with this video is see if I can make some money with Coinbase and Bitcoin. You can see I've got £45.27 in there. I originally put £100 in, and of course Bitcoin dropped. I've just been holding on till then, but I'm going to try and do a bit of trading, see if I can get that balance to go up. So if I go over to accounts, you can see I've got £24.10 in Bitcoin and £21.16 in Litecoin. Nothing mega, really small amounts, but see if we can get them to go up. I'm also looking to buy some ETC, this one, but I'm looking to not put any more money in there, so I'm going to wait till I sell and then move over some of it to ETC and see if we can get a rise on that as well. So you can see I've got my alert set for 5,000 on Bitcoin, and on Litecoin I've got it set to 49.90, so £50. So when they rise above that, I'm looking to sell and hopefully make a bit of money in the process. Right, so subscribe and keep updated with it. I'm going to try and upload a video probably once a week, maybe twice a week, and just see how we go, see if we make money, see if we lose money. It's cool.